Hey, what's up, familia? Story time. So I got myself a great deal on an Adirondack from a nice antique store, and on the way home it flew out the back of the truck. So this is what you're looking at right here. Utilize a little ingenuity and see if we can revive this. Check it out. Let's get to it.